Hi guys, in this today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to do loose braid with baby wool on natural dreadlock, and this is the locks I'll be using to achieve the braid. The loose braid. So what I'm doing here, I'm applying oil to moisturize the scalp, and this is the baby wool I'll be using one pack, yes, and it's just 16 inside a pack. So let's jump into the tutorial. First thing guys, if you're achieving this braid on locks, make sure you wash the locks before you can be able to braid on it. Make sure you are not braiding on dirty dredged lock, and which I've done that. I didn't show you guys where I'm washing it. So the hair is clean and moisturized with oil to make the braid look so neat. So guys, this is me trying to braid the hair. Welcome back to my channel once again, my beautiful people, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, that means you're new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family so that you won't miss any time I upload a new video. So it doesn't cost you anything, just click subscribe button to join the family, and that's all guys. So guys, like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how to do loose braid on natural dreadlock. So I've received a lot of DM, people asking me, Queen Aniki, please show us how to do loose braid. They really want to know how to do loose braid, but me, I'm showing you how to do loose braid on natural dreadlock. As you can see yourself now, this hair is lock, is dreadlock, so I'm going to be braiding on it, and this is what I'm doing here. So I'm using just one pack of baby wool. First thing guys, make sure you pattern the hair very well so that the braid will come out beautiful. So make sure you part it well. After parting it, this particular one, because the dreadlock is very full, so my client said she doesn't want it, she doesn't want the braid full, so I decide to pack 4 4. I decide to pack 4 4, and I'm using box braid method to achieve it, and that's how I keep going with this particular dread. So after parting it, I go ahead and apply my hair wax to base the root to make it neat. After that, I grip the baby wool with the roots of the natural dread. So as you are braiding it, you first of all braid it tight. So you don't start with the loose braid immediately. You grip the root very well, you grip it tight. So then you braid it till where the locks or where the natural hair stop before you begin to loosen the braid. Can you see? So then you can loosen it as you wish. So after that, when you get to the tip of the braid, make sure you tie it very well, because as we are using baby wool, sorry guys, so we are not going to burn the tip of the braid to make it look natural. All what you are going to do is just to cut the excess wool away, then you put it inside water. Here I'm first of all applying cold water, because I don't want the hot water to catch the braid too much. So I decide to wet it with cold water before applying my hot water. Can you see guys? So after applying the hot water, you guys will see the outcome. It's not a must you apply hot water, but if you wish. But I like when I'm doing loose braid with wool like this, I love putting it inside hot water. So after the hot water, I go ahead and dry it. Make sure you squeeze the water very well, because it take a long time before the water dry. So if you are using only hand dryer, it will take much of your time. So after putting it inside the water, I decide to use my hand to squeeze it as if I'm squeezing cloth, just for the water to come out well. Then I use my hand dryer. After drying it, I go ahead and apply my hair mousse, apply it, and guys, see the final look of the braid. Let me know in the comment section if you guys love this braid. And if you enjoy watching, give the video a big thumbs up, share to your friends and family. This is the final look of the braid. Can you tell this is a braid on thread? Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for always tuning into the channel, and I will see you in my next video. If you have a hair tutorial that you want me to do, just let me know in the comment section. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah, mwah.